Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a very simple and useful method to calculate someone's exact age in days, months and year. For example, if a person's date of birth is 14 June 1985 and we want to calculate their age on 13 August 2026, how do we find it? Let's understand it step by step. First, write the date of birth or just mark it here and the given current date here. Now, our example is its um, given date is 13/08/2026 and date of birth is 14 July 1985. Now we will subtract the date of birth from the given date. We will subtract it. As we all know, 14 cannot be subtracted from 13 directly. So this 30 will borrow a month from this 8 because this block contains the months. So if this date will borrow from this, it has to give a whole month to the date. So as we all know, 8th month, it means the August and the previous month will be July. And July consists of 31 days. So here this will borrow directly 31 days to this 13. So we'll 13 plus 13. 31 plus 13 is 44 days. So in the place of this 13, we have 44 days. So if we minus 14 from 44, we will get 30 days. And now here only 7 months are present. So if we minus 6 from 7, we will get 1 month. And here if we minus 5 from 6, we will get 1, 8 from 2. We can't subtract it. So this will borrow 1 from this. So it will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. Here's the answer. We will write the current age of that person is 13 days and 1 month and 41 years. Okay, so that's all. And some important points we have to just remind that before writing borrowing a month, we have to remember that the previous year will contain how many days so that it can give it to the date. Like January consists of 31 days, February 28, or during leap year it will contain 29 days, March 31, April 30. So we have to remember those days. So don't simply assume that every month has 30 days or it will be wrong. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like it. Thank you. And if you have any suggestions for me, just comment it down. Thank you.